guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Arvin. Today I'm in Ramada Khobar. I'm gonna show you the special tea here, which is prepared by the one of our barista. But today I'm gonna show you how to make the best tea here in Ramada Khobar. It's none other drinks. It's a special drinks like a natural herbal. It's called karkade. Karkade in Saudi Arabia they love the most, but actually the karkade means hibiscus tea. So I'm gonna show you how to make the karkade tea. Today we're gonna make some karkade. We need some 1 pot. Then we need hot water on it and some dry karkade. I'm gonna show you the dry karkade here. And say this one. It's dry karkade. So I already put inside the water.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.